Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second regular puzzle. The second regular puzzle in today's newspaper on Thursday, January the 11th, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle, the 3 Stars Sudoku. 2 puzzles are left, the 4 Stars Sudoku and the JigSaw Sudoku. And I've told you earlier in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles, no additional. So what I will do is in the evening I will solve the rest of the puzzles in the yesterday edition. And the news of today, well, I've showed you outside it's freezing, so people are ice skating on the lake here. So it's cold these days, but in a couple of days it will be warmer. Yeah, it will be warmer. Alright, 4 Star Sudoku number 7779. And before I start, I always count up printed digits. This one has more printed digits than the previous Sudoku, 28. Should be a 0 stars puzzle. For 0 stars puzzle, need to be faster than 14, maybe 30 minutes. But it's indicated with the 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle, usually it has 24 printed digits, 4 digits more, 30 minutes or more to solve a 4 stars puzzle. Is this really a 4 stars or a 0 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Well, we have here 4 ones. Okay, we have here 3 2s, we have here 2 3s, we have here 2 4s, 1 2 3 5s. How about the 6s? 2 3 4 6s, maybe 5 6, 1 2 3, yeah, 5 6s. How about the 7s? 1 2 3 7s. How about the 8s? 1 2 8s, 3 8s. How about the 9s? 1 2 2 9s. So the 6s are a majority. Can I start with 6? Yes. 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row, so the third row. Only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be down. I need a 6 here, okay. I need a 6 there. We have a 6. Oh, wait. 1 2 3 4 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 in these 2 boxes here. 6 in this middle row, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 6 in the middle row. So no row above, the only 3 places left, the 6 will be here or there. We have a 6 in the third column, no 6 there. 6 in the second column, no 6 there. So the only place left, the 6 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 6. I need to wait. Well, we have a pair here. 1 2 3 4 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 in these 2 boxes. We have a 5 in the middle row, no 5 in those 3 boxes. So the 5 in this big square goes together with the 6 as a pair. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. Okay. 1 need a 3, need a 9. Okay. 7 need a 1 here. Need a 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next down, need 2 places left, the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Need a 1 here. Need a 1 there. 5 in this column, 5 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only place left for 5 should be there. Need need a 4, need a 8, need a 9. Okay. Well. 5. Okay, alright. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and 8. We have 2 and 8 in this row, so no 2 and 8 in these 2 boxes. 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. And the 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, alright. Then, yeah, 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left with the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the second column, no 7, there's 7, should be there, 7. Then, how about these 2 missing numbers? 1 and 9. Yeah, I cannot fill this yet, I need to wait. The 8. Only. Thinking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers are 1. We have 1 in this row, no 1 in these 3 boxes. Here, 1 in the middle column, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next. Only 3 places left with the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the first row, no 1 there. 1 in the third row, no 1 there. So the only place left with the 1 should be there. Okay, and now, the 1 in this column, the 1 in the second column, so the third column, the only 2 places left with the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place left for the 1 should be there. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and 8. We have 2 and 8 in this big square, so no 2 and 8 in these 2 boxes. 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in the second column, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 8 goes there, so 1 digit left in this big square, so with the number 8. 2 numbers left in this big square for us. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in this last column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 9, 9. Alright. 1 box left now in this row for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, and the 5, 6, and the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 missing numbers now. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. And look, we have 2 and 3 in the first column, so no 2 and 3 in this box. 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in the second column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 4. Alright, for 4. 1 box left in this second column for number 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above, so that row only 2 places left for the 4 should be here. And there we have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. Then I need a 3 here. And I need a come on. 2, 2, 2, 2. 2, 2. Need a 2 here. Wow. 2 and the 4. Yeah, 2 missing numbers. No. 2 and the 3. 4, 8, 9, 4, 8, 9, 4, 8, 9, 9. Let me think. 8, 8. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 4, 8, 9. 4, 8, 9, 4, 8, 9, 4, 8, 9. And look, we have 8 and a 9 in the third row. So no 8 and 9 in this box. 8 and a 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 4. Alright. 2 numbers left now in the third row for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. Well, cannot fill this yet. How about? Need a 5 here. 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number in this column is the number 5. Here can be 5 because we have 5 in this row, no 5 there. Here can be 5, we have 5 in the third row, no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 in this column should be there. So 2 numbers left here in this column for numbers 2 and 7. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this third row for number 7. Then 7 here. Need a 5 here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 2 and 4. We have 2 and 4 in this column, so no 2 and 4 in these two boxes. 2 and 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. So here, 2 and a 4. We already have a 4 here in this column. So no 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 goes there. Need a 4 here. Okay. Then 1. Need a 2 here. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next, so last column, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above, so in that row, only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 2, alright. Let me think. Well. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left, 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 1 box left in this column for the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Well, we have 4 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the last row, so no 3 in these two boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Same for here, okay. And let me see, the 3 should be here also. 3 need a 5 also, need a 4 here. Well, 1, 7, 8. 1, 7, 8. 3 missing numbers in the last row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 1, 7, 8. 1, 7, 8, 1, 7, 8, 1, 7, 8. And look, we have 1 and 7 in this column. So no 1 and 7 in this box. 1 and 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 7 goes there. So 1 is left in the last row for number 8. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. Alright. Here, 2 missing numbers, the 6 and the 5. We have a 6 now in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be here, 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 5. 2 numbers left in this big square for number 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 and the 7 is missing, 1 and 7, 1 and the 7. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 3 and a 7, we have a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in this row for number the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 3 in this column, 3 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place level 3 should be there. 9 and 8, we have an 8 now. In the third column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 9 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 9 and a 3, we have a 9 now in the first row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes in there. 3 in the first row, 3 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places level 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Here, 2 missing numbers, the 4 and the 5 are missing. We have a 5 in the first row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 4. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in the first row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes. And they are finished. 60 minutes. 60 minutes. Wow. Not faster than 50 minutes, otherwise it will be a 1 star. So cannot say it's a 4 stars, cannot say it's a 3 stars, cannot say it's well, for 1 star I need to be faster than 40 minutes, for 1 star faster than 50 minutes, and believe the 0 stars should be faster than 14 minutes, the 1 star should be faster than 50 minutes. Well, this is a 2 stars puzzle, yeah. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the third and last regular puzzle, the JigSaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.